This time, Take makes chicken with UME plum paste. This is a refreshing dish for the hot Japanese summer.
Oh, it's exciting.
Prick the chicken thighs with a fork and cut them into appropriate sizes. Add sake to the chicken cut into small pieces to remove the smell and tenderize the meat. Let it stand for a while. Meanwhile, grate daikon radish. Make the plum sauce. Prepare Japanese pickled plums and chop them into small pieces. One tablespoon mirin sweet rice wine. One teaspoon sugar. One tablespoon ponzu soy sauce with citrus juice. 1 tablespoon soup stock double concentration. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Grill the chicken skin side first, turning after 5 to 7 minutes when the skin side begins to brown. Grill for 2 minutes, turning the chicken. Covering the chicken with a lid will speed up the cooking process, but the secret is not to cook it too long with the lid on, as it will release its juices. When cooked, add the plum sauce. It is ready to serve when the sauce is completely coated with the chicken. Gather the shiso from the garden. Top the plum-sauced chicken with grated daikon Japanese radish, ponzu Japanese citrus juice, and chopped shiso. This is a refreshing dish for the hot Japanese summer. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.